The world is changing faster than most people realize. Degrees can help you get started, but skills are what make you valuable. And you don't need to master all 7 of these. Even becoming genuinely good at 2 or 3 can completely change the opportunities available to you. So here are 7 high-income skills worth learning in 2026. 1. AI and automation. AI isn't just about asking ChatGPT questions. Learn how to use AI to research, analyze information, create content, automate repetitive tasks, and build workflows. The valuable person isn't the one competing with AI, it's the one who knows how to use AI to multiply their output. 2. Video editing. Attention is one of the most valuable currencies on the internet. If you can take raw footage and turn it into something people actually want to watch, you're useful. Learn pacing, storytelling, sound design, captions, transitions, and most importantly, how to keep someone watching. 3. Public speaking. Being intelligent doesn't matter much if you can't communicate your ideas. Learn to speak clearly, tell stories, explain complicated things simply, and stay composed when people are watching. The goal isn't to sound perfect, it's to make people want to listen. 4. Financial literacy. Making money is one skill. Keeping and managing it is another. Understand budgeting, saving, investing basics, taxes, debt, risk, and compound growth. You don't need to become obsessed with money. You need to make sure money doesn't control every decision you make. 5. Networking. Opportunities often travel through people. Learn how to start conversations, maintain genuine relationships, help others, and stay in contact without constantly asking for something. The goal isn't to collect hundreds of contacts, it's to become someone people remember and trust. 6. Problem solving. Companies don't pay people simply for being busy. They pay people to solve problems. When something breaks, sales drop, customers complain, or a project gets stuck, the person who can calmly figure out what happened, why it happened, and what to do next becomes extremely valuable. 7. Writing. Good writing forces you to think clearly. Whether you're writing an email, proposal, business plan, script, or social media post, the ability to organize your thoughts and communicate them clearly is a skill that compounds throughout your entire life. You don't need all 7. Pick one skill that genuinely interests you. Spend the next 90 days learning it, practicing it, and creating real projects with it. Because knowing a skill is one thing, being able to use it to create value is what makes it valuable. Don't try to become good at everything. Become exceptionally useful at something,